Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your iPhone or iPad model and iOS version because compatibility matters. Once done, free up at least 4 GB and charge above 50%. Next, install the virtualization helper on your PC or Mac. This provides the bridge to emulate Android without jailbreaking. Make sure to download the correct drivers and enable trust for the developer profile on your iOS device. This lets the host machine communicate with the phone. After that, create a full backup so you can restore if needed. Now you import a compatible Android image into the virtualization host and allocate resources. Assign CPU cores and 2 GB RAM depending on device constraints. Configure USB forwarding so your iOS device can share storage with the virtual Android instance. This enables file transfers and sideloading. Set display resolution to match your device or use 16:9 for compatibility. Then boot the instance and complete the Android setup. Make sure to enable app install from unknown sources for Finally, sign into Google Alternatives or MicroG if Play services won't run. You do this to maintain app compatibility while avoiding system conflicts. Test apps and monitor battery drain and heat. If the device warms or lags, lower emulated CPU or resolution and try again. If connectivity or USB forwarding fails, toggle the setting, reconnect cables, and reinstall the host driver. As a last resort, restore the iOS backup you made earlier and repeat the import with a different Android image to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.